Hi guys, my name is Diana. Today we are going to watch a video about beautiful dive performed by women in the water. Get ready to see some incredible tricks and grace from these talented athletes. Let's go. Jump number 1. So the jumper starts from a reverse position, takes a run up, and does three half somersaults before entering the water head first. I noticed that his legs were very straight and strong during the jump, and he was in control of his movements throughout the jump. However, I did notice that he had a slight deviation from his ideal body position as entering the water, which may have negatively impacted his score. My score for this jump is 7 out of a possible 10 points. I think it was a good jump with some minor errors, but overall it made positive impression on me. Reverse.